Alright everybody, welcome back. We're once again in my Chaser, and today we did exhaust work. So we took off a straight pipe that had a cannon muffler at the very end for a 3-inch all the way, but has 2 mufflers and a resonator, Fujitubo Legalis R. Now the reason I did this is the cannon type muffler was a bit drony on the highway, and I didn't care for the sound. It was way obnoxious in the mornings when I started up to go to work. So this is super quiet. Matter of fact, it's so quiet that it's running right now. Right? That's awesome. The build quality on the Fujitubo is amazing. The welds are great. It looks great. You'll see it. So let's take it for a spin. I'll throw you guys on the trunk again so you can hear it, and then we'll see the build. All right, let's go. So here I am editing the video, and turns out that none of the footage from the shop recorded. Nothing. It's just not there. I double tapped the button, so it didn't record. It's a terrible feeling. Now, I'm lucky it was only on the exhaust. It's a couple nuts and bolts, some gaskets, a couple of hangers, good to go. I'm really happy with the result, however, of how the exhaust sounds now. So, lesson learned, and hopefully we'll see you guys next week. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and we'll go from there. See you guys then. Bye.